How to troubleshoot your Google Pixel tablet. When something isn't working right, try restarting your Google Pixel tablet. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Tap the power button at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Restart. If your tablet isn't responding, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Then tap Restart. When you factory reset your Google Pixel tablet and charging speaker dock, all your data is removed from both devices. Once the tablet and dock return to factory settings, you can set up both devices again. First, remove your dock from the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app and tap Devices. Select your dock, then tap Settings. Tap Remove Device. Next, press and hold the reset button on the bottom of the charging speaker dock for about 10 seconds until you hear 4 musical tones and the final reset tone. Then release the button. Open Settings. Then tap System. Select Reset Options. Then tap Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Follow the steps to restore your tablet to factory settings. To learn more, visit the Pixel Tablet Help Center.